A sprayer machine is a device used to spray a liquid where sprays are commonly used for projection of water, weed killers, crop performance materials, pest maintenance chemicals, as well as manufacturing and production line ingredients. In agriculture, a sprayer is a piece of equipment that is used to apply herbicides, pesticides, and fertilizers on agricultural crops. Today, we will discuss here boom sprayer machine. Boom sprayer is used for spraying of pesticides, insecticides, fungicides, and micronutrients on different crops, for example, cotton, vegetables, and sugar cane. Agriculture sprayers come in various design types, sizes, equipment, and performance specifications. They range from small spot spraying machines to very large sprayers with extensive land and plant coverage. Agriculture sprayers have been engineered to optimize their applicability and performance for the many purposes that the machines are put to, whether being used on crops, vegetation, or soil. Agriculture sprayers are often used for applying water and water's chemical solutions containing acids or caustic materials for crop performance or pest control, that is fertilizers and pesticides.